I just want to thank God today. As I'm right here on the road now, my car almost somersaulted. This very car almost somersaulted. You can see I'm in the rain. God just took over and delivered me. Since January, they have been attacking me, chasing me up and down, trying to see how they will get me down because of the gospel I preach, because of the truth I preach. This car you are seeing here turned about 360 degrees. This is my car. It turned about 360 degrees round. You can't believe it. Yet it didn't somersault. This car turned about 360 degrees round. 360 degrees round. And it's still standing. The car is still standing. 360. It rotated 360 degrees round. And just a little scratch on the vehicle that was coming in front of me. It's supposed to be a collision. This car you are seeing here is supposed to collide with my car. But I thank God it's just the headlight. And the car is still standing. This car was supposed to somersault. It turned around 360 degrees and it's still standing. So I just want to thank God who has been with me. I am Pst Maxwell Nnawuihe. No weapon formed against me shall prosper. No weapon. It doesn't matter where they're coming from. I'm just recovering from 3 weeks sickness, almost 1 month. I've been on sick bed, but God is still with me. So I'm going to end it here. Maybe I will do a broadcast. I will give you an update. Bye from here.